Guys, look at here. There is a run commands. Run command means you can do these commands in the run prompt. To how to open this run, first of all, how to open the run. So press Windows button or start button. Okay, start or a Windows button. So you can see this Windows button. Same in the keyboard, you can see that Windows button and R. Plus R means don't press plus. Okay, so press with one finger Windows button, another finger R button. So then it will open run. Okay, this is a run. Okay, so what are these run commands? In Windows administration, Windows while we are working with Windows, this is main important to open some few things from it. Okay, so you want to work with disk management. You want to work with disk management. Then you want to open a disk management window. You can go to run and type diskmgmt.msc. What is this MSC? Microsoft Console. Microsoft Console. Microsoft Consoles. Okay, so you can see computer management. I want to open computer management, compmgmt.msc. I want to go to event management or event viewer. So eventvwr.msc. I want to manage services, then services.msc. I want to manage devices like I have a device management. For example, some certain drivers are not working properly. Or maybe I want to uninstall certain drivers. I want to install certain drivers. Okay. I want to change a few things in the device drivers related. Then I have to go to device management. Okay, I want to change certain group policy kind of stuff. In my PC, I want to do certain group policy, local group policies I want to manage to create certain role kind of stuff. Then it is, we can see it is a gpedit.msc. I want to create a user or a group, additional user or a group I want to create. So this is the MSC command. This is a direct administrative commands, guys. If you go to control panel, administrative tools, okay, see computer management, event viewer, okay, services, like this. If you want to open like this, you have to come to up to here and open. Instead of that one, you can go to run and you can open it. Next one is control panel items related. So in control panel, you want to open certain things. Direct control panel item, not Microsoft console items. So control panel items. I want to go to programs and feature items. I want to see what are the programs and features installed in my PC. Then I put a appwiz.cpl. CPL means control panel. To open control panel also, command is control. So go to run, control. See, control panel is open. Okay, type control. And what is this? .cpl means it is control panel item. Okay. So you want to work with the add or remove programs or programs and features, appwiz.cpl. The next one is you want to open a network adapters. Normally you want to open network adapters or network connections. In control panel, network and internet, and then go to network and sharing center. In that one, change adapter settings. You will open this network connections window. So you can look at this. This is my network adapter. Okay. So I'm closing everything, but same network connections I can open from run. So ncpa.cpl. So I open network adapter window directly. So better to know few things, at least few things to work with your system, guys. Okay, so Windows Defender firewall. So you want to open the firewall thing. So firewall.cpl directly it opens your firewall kind of stuff. Of course, it is showing down, down, down. Why? Because of it is already installed with the McAfee endpoint security. This PC already installed with the McAfee endpoint security. So it will take over this default Windows firewall. Okay. So that's the point here, guys. Not only this, also we can open few things from your control panel items. Okay. For example, you want to open registry, regedit.exe, regedit, register, edit, that is it. It opens. Okay. So we already know a few things like a task manager. You want to open a task manager. taskmgr. taskmgr. Okay. Want to open task manager? taskmgr in run command. So taskmgr. Even in a command prompt also you can open task manager with a taskmgr. A few things like Notepad. You can directly type Notepad like this. Notepad. So it opens the Notepad application. Paint, Word, MS Word. You want to open Microsoft Word, MS Word. You type. It's not understanding. It's not understanding. It's maybe changed. Paint can be open. Check it. Calculator, Calc. Calculator, Calc. That is confirmed. Okay. Calc for calculator. So calculate. Like this, not only that shortcut, sometimes application shortcuts also we can open. Yeah, we have to go to this one, right? Percentage tab. Percentage to open a percentage files. Temp also you can open temp. Prefetch. Prefetch files purpose. Okay. So a lot of shortcuts are there. So we can open some applications. Also, direct what we can say based on the environmental variables, we can open it. So we can run some environmental variables from it. So of course, nowadays not much very important because of we have a smart search. This search you can type it. So PowerShell like this is we can easily search from here. For example, I want to open Notepad. See Notepad. Paint I want to open. So simply this paint. I can type it. Okay, I want to open task manager. So I can easily see and I can be able to open. So not required to know everything. That is as some people are doing that one. Okay, but better to know also, guys. It is always feel the difference between one to another one. So for example, I have known very less shortcuts. For example, I want to open this Explorer. I have to move the mouse and I have to open this Explorer. Okay, I have to open this Explorer. I'm closing it. I open again. So Windows E. So it is open directly. Okay, it's open directly. So few things. So there is a lot of shortcuts are available. Not required to know every shortcut, guys. So only I will learn shortcuts. That is the computer thing kind of stuff. It is not like that. You have to learn so many things in your computer. There's so many things are there. Better to know about it. About your control panel. Open the control panel. Okay. So even for a opening control panel also, there may be a shortcut. Okay. So go to control panel. See the items. What are there? Don't do it. Don't change anything. Don't do any changes in this one. Okay, just see what are the items are there. Just if you want, you can open it and read it and leave it. For example, I want to go through this backup. What is meant by backup? What options are given here? What is this file history? It will give you what it is. Knowing about your system, it is always a good thing. See users, okay, hardware and sound, programs. So options, how it is there, what is the use of these options? Okay. Next one is go to settings. Go to one by one option. Do not change, do not open any specific option, guys. Just open a system, read what is there. What is in the display, what is in the sound, what is notification and action. Okay. Okay. What is assistance? It is a notification kind of stuff, on or off notification for that one. What is a power and sleep kind of stuff? Okay, about a battery management. Okay, so about your storage related, about your tablet mode options, multitasking, like I said, the virtual disk kind of stuff. Knowing about your system, guys, one by one you select it, but do not you choose any options. Do not change anything until unless you know about it very well. About it devices. Okay, about your devices kind of stuff. Phone, network and internet, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, VPN, airplane mode, mobile hotspot kind of stuff. Okay. So go to options, do not change anything, do not click anything. Okay. For example, don't click this, anything like this. Okay. Do not go, just see what is there. Don't touch these things. So that's you will get to know what is the options in your system. Okay, you can use your system in a better way. You will understand what are those options are there. I know not we don't want, sir. I have a mobile phone. I have Instagram. I know how to filter in the Instagram, Snapchat. That is enough for the life. Right? That is okay. No problem. I'm not commenting on anybody's life or the personal matters, guys. But you want to learn, simply go through once. You can search. No one will teach you this option is there here. Okay, you have to know it. That's the point, guys. Not only these run commands, there are so many run commands also available. I'm giving few. That's it. In this thing, guys, in managing your PC, the system management, what happened to this? In system management, and there's a few things you have to know how to work with it. Like a service management. Okay, one of the thing is service management. Maybe it might not open in my PC, in this specific PC, admin rights. It is open. Guys, this is a service management. What are these? These are services running in my PC. Guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So because it's a very small letters, so I have a services. What is these services? These services are belongs to an application and or these services are belongs to certain features of operating system, or certain services belongs to an operating system, applications, or certain feature in the operating system, or maybe it is related to hardware. For example, I will show you the Bluetooth. See, Bluetooth. BitLocker is feature. Bluetooth is hardware device. This is operating system features related services. Hardware related services. Service related services. See, DHCP client service. It is running and automatic. Meaning is, if this service is not running, my system won't get a IP address from the DHCP server. My system cannot able to get an IP address from DHCP server. In order to get it, this service has to be run. DNS client. I open a different type of websites here, right? So how these websites are getting an IP address from DNS server, from DNS client. Sorry, how from DNS server. So this DNS client is running. So when you are open a website with a name, okay, so this DNS client is trying to get an IP address from DNS server of that particular site you are open. Okay. For example, I open gmail.com or facebook.com, youtube.com. I don't know IP address, right? So my system, DNS client service, try to get a IP address of youtube.com, facebook.com or gmail.com from the DNS server, from the DNS server. So this client is not running. Obviously, you cannot, the request to the server cannot be sent. Okay. Fax, enterprise apps, encrypted file system, group policy, client, Hyper-V, it is feature related. Okay. So you can see there is a, this is McAfee, application related, hardware related, service related. So different type of services. We are getting updates, right? Windows updates we are getting regularly. So we are getting Windows updates because of Windows update services. If this is running means Windows update. Okay. From this service. If this service is disabled, you can't get updates. Windows time services. So your time is synchronizing with the Microsoft Windows server. The time server, it is synchronizing this time because of this time services. Windows searches. Installer, you want to install any application, this Windows installer will run while you are installing any applications. Okay. So guys, this is a thing I'm trying to show. Point is, what is this service management? So open the service management window. These services are belongs to operating system, application, hardware, or certain type of services. The services like a Windows update services, Windows time services, DHCP services, DNS services, Bluetooth audio video services, your application related services. You know, last time in my old PC, I installed a Oracle 21C Express Edition application. In my PC, I installed a Oracle 21 piece kind of stuff. So install Oracle 21C database application. That to Express Edition I install to practice my database kind of stuff. Okay, this is the server I installed and I want to practice some database commands, but usually I'm busy, so not done practice. So daily I don't it. I'm not doing now, right away. I'm not using that variable. I'm not teaching that variable to anyone anyway. I need to practice myself. Okay. So for any purpose, any cross verifications, we do that one. I'm not using every time. So if I'm not using every time, is it required to run every time in your system? This application, is it required to run every time? If you are not using every time, every day, every hour, right? No, not required to run every time. Okay. So what I have done, I kept in manual. The service, I go to the service management window. I kept this service into the manual mode, not in automatic mode. There is a 3 modes are there, guys. Startup types are 3 startup type. Startup types are 3 types: automatic, manual, and disable. In automatic mode, when I start my PC and I log into my PC, if service is in automatic mode, it will be start automatically. I no need to start this application. Service is in automatic, it automatically start the application. So morning I came, I open the laptop, morning I have a class. So then I open a laptop, I power on my laptop, the service will run automatically. Even I'm not using it, but service runs in the background. So that's it.
You can wait here. After one class.
What's the rest of Okay. So what happened? If you kept your service in automatic mode, the service will run automatically. Okay. If service is in automatic mode, when you start your PC, automatically the service will run. So unnecessary this application will run, and even I'm not using, but application is running. Application is running means it consuming your resources.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
If I if I put a certain application on the manual mode or automation mode, if I put it on automatic mode, then it will show in the taskbar or not, sir?
Yeah, if you're kept in an automatic mode, sadly we don't have that thing in my PC. For example,
Sometimes, sir, Microsoft Teams it automatically starts. That's why I'm asking.
okay, Microsoft Teams. So also we try to find from here. Sometimes it won't be there here. Yeah. This is too hot here, and there is a messages, continuous messages. I got confused. Okay, very good. That one also I will tell you. Microsoft Teams, I will tell that's a good question actually. Can you see this startups window in a task manager, startup window, startups? Okay. If this Microsoft Teams it is enabled now. So if it is enabled, when I start my laptop and I log in, automatically Microsoft Teams runs. Okay, if you don't want it. So daily it is not required. You will open manually if you want it. Why it should run automatically? Then you can disable it like this. I disabled it and I done my work today. I closed the system today or log out from my system. Then I open login or maybe I restarted my PC. This Microsoft Teams won't run once you log into your PC. It won't run automatically. You have to open it manually. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, got it.
That's actually good thing, guys. That is startups. That is startup management also we'll see again. So sorry. The services. I install this application and it is in automatic mode. So what happened when I start morning class? I open a laptop, I log into the system, application start automatically. Whether I'm using an application or not, it don't bother, it runs in my system. If it is running in my system, even I'm not using it, okay, what happened? It consumes my CPU power, RAM power, disk power, right? It consumes my resources. So what I have done, I kept in manual. First, I stopped the service and I kept in manual only. Okay, so next time when I go to when I start my PC, the service won't start automatically. Service, the application won't start automatically. If I want, I will start manually. It is in manual mode, but I will start manually. And I use it once my work is completed. Either I shut down my PC or maybe I will stop the services. Okay, I can directly shut down my PC, no problem. If when I shut down, so that automatically next time you open a laptop, it won't start. You have to start manually. Okay. So automatic startup type is automatic mode. Just I'm searching for any proper services. Yeah. Yeah, we cannot do anything with this one. We can't change anything. Okay. Can't change anything. See this? This is a XP kind of stuff. It is, I change it to manual mode. Okay. I change it to manual. So guys, same thing. I installed for one project, sir, asked for a database migration from local machine to AWS. So he asked, do this kind of stuff. First, install MySQL and MySQL Workbench, then create some databases and migrate from your local PC to remote RDS, AWS RDS, MySQL. For that one, I install this application. I'm not doing every day. So what I have done, so this MySQL 8, what I have done, I kept in manual mode. So may not make sure to make sure that it should not be run automatically. Yes, automatic mode. Startup type is automatic mode. Means when PC starts or booted or login, this service starts automatically. Service will start automatically. Manual mode means if you have kept a startup type is manual, either user has to start the service. Sometimes it will start automatically by opening related applications or by certain triggers. Manual also will run automatically, but not a direct automatic, guys. Not like your system started, service start, not like that. You open the relevant application or maybe based on the time triggers. See, here it is. The Windows updates is in manual, but it is running. I didn't run. It is a triggered. Okay, automatically it triggered by certain options you select or maybe by time related it is running. Okay, so automatic triggers. Next, disable. If you disable this a particular service, you disable it, service never start. So for me, so when I do practicals on my virtual machines on Windows Server or a Windows client machines, Windows 10 client or Windows Server. So you know what happened after installation, when we connected to internet, it updates automatically. So that system don't require updates. Physical machines update may required, but these virtual machines update is not required. We have to do some practical, not we are not required to manage the server here. So what I will do, I will go to this and change it to disabled. I stop the service and change it to disabled mode. Now I cannot change anything by because I'm a user, not an administrator. So users do not have rights to change anything. So you need admin permissions. Okay, so you can disable the service. So if disable the service, service never starts, not even any triggers also. Guys, the services are belongs to operating system, application, hardware are a certain kind of services like Windows updates, Windows time kind of stuff, DHCP clients, DNS clients, Bluetooth audio video connectivity, or some other applications, Hyper-V related, my application identity, bits related, so many your antiviruses, Windows defenders, Windows installer services also there. Okay, the startup type of services are automatic or manual or disabled. If startup type is automatically means when you start your PC, okay, system is booted and you log in automatically, these services runs automatically. Certain services compulsory to start immediately, guys. Certain services not required to run immediately after system is started. Or you will control the service. So then we can keep that certain applications or a certain type of services in manual mode or a disabled mode. Manual mode startup means the either user has to start the service or by opening some application or certain triggers, this service will run. Disable mode startup type is disabled, service never starts. Service never starts. Okay. Guys, understand what is the services?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
So one more thing I will tell, that is about a registry. Then we will close for today. Tomorrow I will tell about safe mode. Tomorrow is a Friday, right? That's a good. I will tell about a safe mode and system restorations and some other troubleshooting things, BSOD also. Okay. So this is a one important thing in the system, that is to manage the system services. And of course, I will tell that the system is slow, what to do, that kind of stuff. Then there I will tell startup management. So what is the registry, guys? Registry is a simple thing. It is whether we can able to open regedit. Yeah. So this is a registry editor, guys. In the registry, this is registry editor. So we can edit the registry from here. What is this registry? Registry contains information of your entire system. Hardware information, operating system, application, user settings, information located in the registry. Using registry editor, we can manage these registry entries. It controls the function of your system. For example, I try to open a file, a notepad file is there. I try to open this notepad file. It is open in the notepad. How system will understand what is this file and how to open it? How system will understand? So it is a .txt file. .txt file. See, in a class root, can you see this information? So this will tell you the relevant application location and how to open. So somewhere .txt it is notepad.exe. So any file with the extension .txt, it opens in the notepad. Okay. So like that one point I told. Okay. So in this registry, it contains information about your current user, their applications, devices, access kind of stuff. Local machine contains about your bootable files kind of stuff, hardware, okay, your accounts related, security related softwares. What are the applications are installed in this one that entirely shows in this software only. You know, I will tell you a story, guys, then you will understand this kind of troubleshooting. Okay. So same story is Oracle 21C. Oracle 21C application is I installed. I'm trying to install, not installed completely. Okay, of course, I installed finally. Okay, I try to install this Oracle 21C application. So I try to install an application. While installation, some interruption is happened. Installation is failed. Installation is failed. Then what happened? So, okay, no problem. I try to install again. Installation failed. I try to installation again. Then it is system is telling already Oracle 21C is installed in your PC. You can't install. Earlier it is failed. Now I'm trying to install again. So now I can't able to install. Why? Because it is telling you can't able to install. Then what I have done? These Oracle files are there now, somewhere located in my drive. These Oracle files are there, application files. These files I deleted it because maybe because of that files it is interrupting. So I deleted all the application files because installation is failed, no uninstallation concept. Okay, so I have to delete the files. I delete the files. Again, I tried. Again, it is telling you are already installed with Oracle 21C application. You cannot install again. Then I got a doubt. I went to the registry. In registry, I went to local machine, software, and search where is a Oracle application. I select that Oracle application and I expand it, not like this one, guys. I will show you that screen actually here. Okay. So Oracle application under, see, local machine, software, Oracle. Under Oracle, this is the Oracle 21C application. So I deleted entire this information in my registry. Then I restarted my PC. I tried to install it again. Now it is successful. So what I got it? So when I'm trying to install, it is failed. I tried to install again. It is telling already installed. I got this issue. Even I deleted files in the installation location, but it is still telling you already Oracle 21C is installed in your PC. So what I've done, I went to the registry editor, find Oracle 21C related files, related entries. I deleted it and I restart my PC. Then after restart, I try to install it again. Now it is good install working in my PC. Not in this laptop, guys, my old laptop I have done. Okay, so these two things also very important. Also, you can say don't do anything on your registry, guys, until unless you know about it very well. Okay, if you know about it very well, then only You can try. Okay. Otherwise, you can search in some YouTube, like how to manage registry, how to remove the application. I think 1 minute, let's just. Okay, how to remove the entries of a particular application things from the registry. Okay, registry is a very dangerous item. So if you change something by mistakenly have done something, your system may not work properly. Okay, you don't know how to revert it. That is also become big headache. So do not touch registries until unless you know it. But you can open, you can see, but don't change anything. Don't delete anything. Don't add anything. Okay, that's a point of registry. Okay. When you do any application related support, the registry entries are very useful. Registry concept is very useful. Application related support. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
Which one?
Sir, Monokumar, sir, attender.
No, Kumar.
Sir, Gaurav Rawat present.
Check it. Manish Kumar, Monu Kumar. Okay, Monu Kumar came. And who is missing? Vikramaditya. All remaining are there. Pankaj Rawat. Everyone is there. Manish Kumar missing yesterday and today. And today missing one is Vikramaditya. Okay. Yeah, that's it for today, guys.